This is our finished pita bake, crunchy on the outside, cheesy and comforting inside. Let's rewind and make it step by step. And here it is, crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy inside. Delicious, homemade, and full of flavor. Simple ingredients, amazing results. First, peel and dice the potatoes into small cubes. Fry them until they're golden and crispy. Potatoes are full of potassium and give you instant energy. Next, chop one onion finely. Onions add sweetness and depth to the filling. Melt a tablespoon of butter with a bit of oil in a pan. Add the chopped onion and saute until it turns soft and translucent. Butter adds rich flavor, and the oil helps prevent burning. Add the ground beef to the pan. Break it apart and cook until it becomes brown and slightly crispy. Beef is rich in protein and iron, great for strength and energy. Now chop colorful bell peppers and add them to the pan. They give the dish color, crunch, and a boost of vitamin C. Slice the mushrooms and toss them in. They bring a meaty texture and are full of B vitamins. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more delicious homemade ideas every week. Your support keeps me cooking and sharing with love. Chop fresh tomatoes and add them to the mix. Tomatoes add moisture, a little tanginess, and antioxidants like lycopene. Now season with salt, black pepper, crushed coriander seeds, and paprika. Taste and adjust the seasoning as you like. Coriander adds warmth, and paprika gives mild sweetness and color. Stir in a spoonful of tomato paste. It deepens the flavor and gives a beautiful red color. Finally, chop parsley and dill and add them at the end. They bring freshness, flavor, and lots of vitamins. Parsley is full of vitamin C and K, while dill helps with digestion. Lay your pita bread flat. Spoon some of the filling in a line and roll it up tightly into sandwiches. You can tuck in the edges so the filling doesn't fall out. Spread a thin layer of ketchup on the bottom of your baking dish. It prevents sticking and adds flavor. Place the rolled pitas seam side down in the dish, close to each other. Brush or spoon some ketchup over the tops for extra flavor and moisture. Now sprinkle plenty of shredded mozzarella cheese all over the top. Cheese makes it creamy, melty, and irresistible. Bake in the oven for about 15 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly.